So the first time I created the spider, it was a bit of a necessity, and it was also a bit of an accident, really. I needed a solo for a competition. I also loved spiders, and just making moves in my living room with my mother laughing, and that's how the first solo was born. I'm Milena Sidorova. I'm a choreographer and a young creative associate with the Dutch National Ballet. I love being back in school. It brings up a lot of warm, fuzzy memories. This week we were working on a workshop which includes first and second years, so together up to 58 dancers, and it was a little bit different each day, but the goal is not to make it perfect, but to all together make a piece where I don't only tell them what to do, but they also make some input, and I think that makes the rehearsal process really nice, and for me as well as for them. I often start with the music as the main idea, and sometimes or often I also put a part of myself into the piece. I also like to get inspiration from dancers, so I come into the studio with some ideas and I build on it in the studio together with the dancers. I took music by a British composer, alumna. It's called Waltz of the Sirens. It starts with a lot of street noise and it turns into something beautiful, and that was also her idea, to take something ugly and turn it into something beautiful. So I sort of played on this idea where I start with a chaos and then transforms into something a bit more orderly.